These are like soft baby hairs. I kind of just came up with this technique. Wait, before we get into this video, make sure y'all go ahead and smash that like button down below. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you are already one of the girls. Hey girl, I was kind of struggling to do these. Y'all gonna see in the clip, but it came out pretty nice. And I kind of topped it off. I forgot to add that. Topped it off with spray just to kind of hold it down, not too much. If you want to see the details and you want to see what I used and how I got this look, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up and keep watching.
You've been on my to-do list. If you wanna do it, this moment is perfect. Let's go on and do it. On my to-do list, and I'm in the mood. Yeah. Just best that we undress and go on and do it.
Hi you guys, it's your girl Ree, and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got these fluffy edges. You know, the girls just love doing a nice edge video. So I've had these braids in for almost a month. I think it's been a full month. It's not too bad. The girl who did my braids left out a lot of edges, and I'm very particular about how I like my edges to be. I just was like, you know what, let me show the girls how I do just the everyday edge. Like, I like baby hairs, okay? The girls that get it. The girls that don't. It's just that simple. I don't want to do too much babbling. We're gonna get right into this video. All right, you guys, so first things first, I'm going to show you guys everything that I use to achieve this look. You need these. I used these to wrap. You're gonna see what I do with it, but you need a blow dryer. This ain't no special blow dryer or nothing, just a really good blow dryer. Some got to me, and this is that stuff, okay? The yellow one to me doesn't work as good, so if you're a fan of the yellow one, that's your preference, but I'm gonna tell you now, the black bottle gonna do it. You're also gonna need a skinny flat iron. The last time I did this, I didn't use a skinny flat iron, but I think that's what was missing. This time around, I'm gonna try it. Y'all, this thing is so old. Anyways, yeah, one of these. I like to use the comb side. The brush side, I don't know. Don't mind mine. It's old. I need a new one. Don't worry about it, okay? Just make sure you got your one of these. And that's about it. I think that's, oh, I almost forgot the main ingredient. A styling wrap mousse. So get you one of these. You usually use it on your wig, but I kind of was just like, if you could do this with your wig, you probably could do it with your real hair. So this is what I use to achieve the soft look. These are the two main ingredients that you're gonna need to achieve this look. So if you don't have it, run and go get it right now. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that like button, okay? Because I stay dropping gems for y'all, but y'all don't be showing enough love. Like, what happened? What happened? All right, you guys, we're gonna get straight into it. So here I'm literally just combing out my edges, making sure everything is separated. I'm going to take the curler and I'm going to curl it upwards. Honestly, I don't know the difference between curling it down, up, side. As you can see, I'm just sectioning off little areas and I'm just curling it upward. I'm going to be narrating this just a little bit because I didn't feel like talking as I was recording, so enjoy.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
So right there is pretty obvious. I just put the product on the back of my hand. So I made a mistake of using a little bit too much got-to-be glue, which is something that is normal. In the end of this video, you're gonna see what I do and how that mistake kind of messed me up in the end. So just take my notes from now. Do not use too much got-to-be glue. The foam is really what gives you that soft look, but the got-to-be is what holds your hair and molds it as you do it. So I just got a little carried away because I'm so used to doing my edges a certain type of way. So yeah, y'all, let me know in the comments below if you're a less edge type of girl or if you like big edges. I'm kind of in the middle. I don't really like the no edge look. I don't know, like, I don't think it has anything to do with maturity or anything. I'm just not, like, I love me some edges. So let me know in the comments below if you like edges or you just more of like a soft girly. Like, let me know. So this method is a little hard because the edges tend to curl up, so curling it with the flat iron probably wasn't the smartest. It basically defeats the purpose of putting heat. The only thing I would say that the heat did for me was keep it curled. If that, like how do I explain? When you put the product on your hair, it's easier to mold that curl how you want it because the flat iron basically already curled it, if that makes sense. So now I'm just going to blow dry it for about 3 to 5 minutes. You just want to hold it there until you feel that there is no more wetness under the paper. One thing about them blow dryers, honey, it's gonna get real hot, okay? But you gotta stand in the heat. If you want your hair to look right, you gotta do it. Just do it. Beauty is pain, okay? Y'all see them edges, y'all see it. Get into it, okay? The best to do it, period. So you want to comb them out. You want to take your time. You can either use the brush side or the comb side. I kind of was dibbling and dabbling with both. But as you can see, I'm using my hand to guide the edges, even though they're dry. Oh, and on that part, you can kind of see where it's flaking up because I had too much got to be. So I had to go back in and kind of fix it multiple times. Very, very annoying. But if you got the patience, this is the technique for you because it's just so cute. It's very worth it. This part is another example. Too much got to be. It was kind of hard to comb it out. Once I got through it, it definitely eased up, but that's just another example, y'all.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
I kind of was panicking a little bit because it was just too much white stuff. When I see too much white stuff, you know how got to be glue. If you girls know, they know. Like, got to be, once it dries, that's it. So I kind of was struggling a little bit, getting a little frustrated. But you know, got to see it through, my boy. You got to see it through.
If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
So somebody told me the other day that I have a lot of edges and that they just are so nice, and y'all don't understand. That just made me feel so good because I don't know if it's just a me thing, but I be kind of insecure about my edges sometimes. Like, sometimes I want them to be a certain way and I be feeling like I got little bald spots, but I don't know. And the girls be in the comments eating me up. Like, all my edge tutorials, if you just read my comments and you support me, I appreciate it because the girls be in the comments eating me down, y'all, like bullying me to a T. I be ignoring that shit though. But listen, I don't care. What I like is what I like. What you like is what you like. And if you don't like it, it just is what it is. To each its own. For all the people that genuinely support me though and always trust my process and follow my tips and subscribe to me and stuff, I really appreciate y'all. Like, y'all don't understand how much that means to me. It just makes me want to keep going. Sometimes it's just a matter of understanding it's either you're that girl or you're just not. Period.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. 𝚂𝚘𝚌𝚒𝚕 nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like 1,000,000 views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you made it this far, make sure you go ahead and follow my nail page. Get into the nails. Like, come on, get into the nails. Please get into the nails. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and follow my nail page on Instagram. These are a custom set. Yeah, and I made these a long time ago. Girl is only getting better. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, my camera died, but that's the end of this video, y'all. Thank you for making it this far. Bye.